Hi, I'm Phillip Copelands from Amish Meadows, and we've been wanting to put in a garden of our own for years, and finally today's the day. And so we're decided to take a little piece of this hayfield and turn it into a garden. So my brother here is putting in the posts, and I'm helping to get it lined out. And we're gonna do some tilling. I tilled it one direction, now I'm tilling it the other so I get it all worked up mellow. It's never been tilled before, and it just been, we've calved here years ago, and that's almost all this was used for, was calving, and then a couple last 2 years we made hay off it. Yeah, so this year we're probably gonna grow, half of this will be in sweet corn, and the other half will be beans, radishes, carrots, lettuce, onions, and since we got a brother-in-law that is putting out a big patch of potatoes, we won't be doing potatoes this year. My thought was that I'll leave part of it in hay and I can graze it down after it's all harvested. I can put a cow or two in here to graze down whatever is left, and I thought I'd experiment this year and get a couple Highlanders. I've been raising Angus and Herefords, but I know that Scottish Highlanders are like an heirloom breed, and I thought I'd experiment with those, so I bought these couple Highlanders. This heifer is my dad's. It's not a Highlander, but she's going to be trailing along after us and probably wanting to be scratched on a little. Yeah, but here is a Highlander bull that my friend bought. He wanted to teach him to ride. So we'll be probably using him to breed in the future also. Come here, Herman. Come here, Herman. Lazy little fella. And here is a steer. He's a year old, little over a year old. They mature slower than the Angus. It takes about 3 years instead of just 2 to mature them. But yeah, I thought I'll just experiment, see how he does. And then here is the heifer. As you can see, she doesn't have horns. She's a quarter Angus, and that's why she doesn't have horns, because Angus are pulled. But I thought that being 3/4 Highlander and the bull being a full Highlander, the calf will be so close to purebred that we'll see how it goes. That one is a dairy heifer too. Super friendly. A Boer goat, which is a meat breed. This is the buck, and then right there is the baby from him. There's 2 of them actually. He's kind of looking rough simply because he's shedding all his hair. Losing his winter wool. So this is what we got done. I went over it several times and it's looking fairly good there, but coming through here, it's so rocky and this tiller is so old that I broke the one end, so I guess I'm going to have to hang it up and just do the rest with the little walk behind tiller. thanks for watching this video. We'll give you an update in the near future so you know where it's going.